Alright, well, as you see, everything is tore apart to get ready to put on the bench grinder over there, but I test fitted everything off camera and came across a problem. So to alleviate that problem, this is a whole different rig that I made up here, and the reason why is because of this right here. Made it so that I could not have full adjustment of the up and down motion on the table. So I came up with this idea. So I'm gonna get you guys set up here and get it together. So I hold on to the screw here, line it up, put it through, and start assembling. This here is custom made because they do not have a quarter 28, so I had to drill and tap this. Now what this does is wherever I adjust it, this locks it down, and that's it. Okay, let's grind one up. Okay, you got the blank here. We're just going to take it facing. So, over here like so. High-speed steel. Alright guys, that's it. That's all for this episode. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content, and you're going to see a lot more of this. It's nice. Alright, later.